Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing well in lockdown period. So today I am going to show you how to create the ledger and journal entries against the customer. So from the ledger, go to the add to favorite, and now you can select whatever you want to add to favorite. Suppose I want to take membership charges. Let's take membership charges and add to favorite. So I have added it already. Then after that, just search one customer and you can see one customer I have created. So from this star logo, you can see create voucher. Just click on that, and now there is journal entry you can create. So from the payment option, go to the receipt, and what we have received cash 500, and the membership charges, let's take membership charges 500, and the narration we can write membership charges for opening of account. Okay, then just save this entry, and the entry is saved successfully. After that, from the business summary, account statement, here the membership charges you can select and refresh this, and now you can see we have created the membership charges entry 500 rupees. So let's take a cash and refresh. Now you can see the cash entry also. Cash is debit 500 rupees. So let's create another one. Go to the ledger, add to favorite, and suppose let's take a coffee expenses. Let's take a coffee expenses and add this to the favorite. So we have added this successfully. Now search customer, and from this star icon, go to the create voucher, and now the payment we received or payment we paid. Okay, payment we paid for coffee expenses. So coffee expenses will be, let's take 200, and cash 200, and we can narrate here coffee for customer, and just save this entry. So we have saved this entry successfully. Now from the accounting business summary, go to the account statement, and let's take coffee expenses, and refresh. So you can see I have created one entry against coffee expenses, and you can select cash also and just refresh. Now you can see cash entry also visible, and from the dashboard also you can see the details of this entry. See, cash we have 300 in bank. So this type you can create the ledger or journal entries against the customer in Jainam Software. So thank you for watching this video, and you can subscribe our channel from YouTube, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.